Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to show you 5 basic lighting setups that you can use for your portrait photography. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today we are once again going to talk about portrait photography, and I'm going to show you guys 5 basic lighting setups or patterns that you can use to spice up your portraits and make them look more professional. They are very easy to understand and can be done with just one light. Let me show you. Half or split lighting, as the name suggests, splits the person's face into 2 equal halves, where one half is in light and the other half is in shadow. This lighting technique can be achieved by placing your light source at a 90-degree angle to the left or right of the subject, or even slightly behind the head, depends on the subject.
Here I have my camera right in front of the model, and I have placed an Octasoft box at a 90-degree angle to my face at eye level. Focus on the face and that's it. As you can see, one half of my face is lit and the second half is in shadow. Although this looks dramatic, I will now use a reflector on the other side, directly opposite to the light, and bounce the light to fill the shadows. See how simple that was?
Loop lighting is achieved when you get a small shadow of the nose on the cheek of the subject. To achieve this look, the light source must be placed slightly above the eye level of the subject at a 30 to 45 degree angle from the person. Again, the position of the light differs from person to person, but when you get this small shadow of the nose on the cheek of the subject, you get loop lighting.
So here is my camera, and my light is 45 degrees away, slightly above eye level, very slightly. I'm gonna sit here again, directly facing the camera. Just pose and click. Again filling the shadows on one side with a reflector, and that's it.
Rembrandt lighting is similar to loop lighting in the way that I will place my light source at an angle of 30 to 45 degrees again, but the light source will be placed way above the eye level of the subject, such that I get a bigger triangle shadow of the nose on the cheek, such that it meets the shadow of the cheek.
Again, my camera is in front of me and I will position my light at the same 45 degree angle, but this time above my head. Now with the reflector,
in butterfly lighting, my light source will be placed above my eye level in front of the subject. So I will get a beautiful butterfly shaped shadow under the nose because my light source is above my eye level. That is why this is called butterfly lighting, because of the shadow achieved under the nose.
Now my light source is behind the camera and above eye level. I just click. To cover the shadows here, I can place a reflector below my neck. It will bounce the light.
In flat lighting, the light source is placed directly in front of the subject, so the face is well lit and is devoid of any shadows whatsoever. Hence, this is not a desired look because shadows kinda give drama and bring more life to the subject. So this can be very useful for makeup tutorials where you want to show the face very clearly.
I have my light source directly behind the camera in front of me at eye level. Click. No shadows at all.
So guys, these are some basic and very simple lighting setups that you can try at home with your mobile phone camera too. And if you do try them, please tag me on your pictures on Instagram at Agarwal Sonika. I'll be very happy to have a look at your images, guys. And if you like this video and found it to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which portrait photography concepts you wanna watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous portrait photography tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.